This was a big one that I really, I thought, I don't know what happened to it last week. Amazon implements new safety guardrails for its AI coding assistants following a major AWS service disruptions.
Command AI.
Now, this just goes into the whole thing of how software is just getting rubbish, quite frankly. Amazon called a meeting last week, which is what I wanted to discuss, to address some of their outages, which seem to have gone up since obviously everyone's using AI assistants. So I wanted to look more, and with that in place, it looks like they've taken some action to actually figure it out. Amazon is beefing up internal guardrails after recent outages hit the company's e-commerce operations, including one disrupting tied to its AI coding assistant Q. Dave Treadwell, Amazon's SVP of e-commerce services, told staff on Tuesday that a trend of incidents emerged since the third quarter of 2025, including several major incidents in the last few weeks, according to the internal document obtained by Business Insider. At least one of those disruptions were tied to Amazon's AI coding assistant, which isn't necessarily what we're talking about right now. We're talking about actual software development, while others expose deeper issues other than another internal document explained. Problems include what he described as a high blast radius, where software updates propagated broadly because control planes lacked suitable guardrails or safeguards. So I'm guessing that they are literally just, your cost of development time itself or actual creation of the tool is shortening, but it probably needs to be, upped in the needs. The QA, quality assurance, needs to go up. Agentic versus deterministic. Amazon's Treadwell wrote that the company's new code guardrails will combine AI-driven agentic tools with more predictable rules-based and deterministic systems as much as you can with AI, because it's very undeterministic. This tackles one of the core issues with AI models. These powerful new services are not deterministic. As I just said, this means you can ask the same question twice and an AI model may spit out slightly different answers. That sometimes makes technology inappropriate for corporate workflows that must be 100% accurate every time. Going back to the the NanoClaw thing. Is it NanoClaw? NemoClaw? NVIDIA's attempt to OpenClaw. Now Amazon is rolling out a 90-day temporary safeguard guideline that will serve as an addendum to the existing policies, according to one of the internal documents. The new policy targets approximately 335 Tier 1 systems or services that can directly impact consumers. Nice. I mean, this is important, right? If you're going to be shipping fast, you need to up the other side of it and put these in place. It's just the nature of it. So yeah, this is the first time a large organization have been very vocal about the fact that we've noticed incidents going up since the third quarter of 2025, which is when AI agentic coding really, really blew up. So yeah, interesting to see. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Command AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Command AI.